subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Samsung has launched its new budget-friendly phone under a series in India called Galaxy A05, and it is the successor of the last year launched Galaxy A04 smartphone. Now let's see the specifications of the Galaxy A05 smartphone. The Galaxy A05 features a tall 6.7-inch HD Plus display, with a U-shaped notch at the top center, that carries an 8-megapixel selfie shooter, with f2.0 aperture. The rear panel of the phone houses a dual camera setup at the top left corner, that includes a 50-megapixel main camera, with f1.8 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel depth sensor, with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the Galaxy A05 comes powered by MediaTek Helio G85 chipset, paired with Mali G52MC2 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 4 or 6 GB of RAM, that can be extended up to another 6 GB by using internal storage, and it has 64 or 128 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB via microSD card slot. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 13 out of the box, with One UI skin on top, and it is equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 25 watts fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone features an face unlock system for authentication, and it also comes with Dolby Atmos surrounding sound system for better audio experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 168.8 by 78.2 by 8.8 millimeters, and it weighs around 195 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Galaxy A05 has been priced in India for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at 9,999 Indian rupees, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 12,499 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in black, light green, and silver color options. So, what do you guys think of this Galaxy A05 smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.